If you're considering InterServer VPS hosting, there are several important things you need to know before making your decision. While they offer some great features, it's crucial to understand how they compare to other options in the market. Let's dive in. First off, InterServer is known for affordable hosting plans with a price lock guarantee. What's impressive is their pricing model, which is a refreshing alternative to competitors like Bluehost and SiteGround, whose renewal rates can often skyrocket. InterServer locks in your rate for the long term, making it a great budget-friendly option for VPS hosting. The second thing you need to know is their flexibility in plan customization. Unlike many competitors that offer set plans with limited options, InterServer lets you fully customize your VPS resources. This flexibility means you can scale your hosting environment to fit your exact needs, whether you're hosting a small blog or a resource-heavy application. Next thing is their data center options. InterServer offers a global presence with data centers in the US, allowing you to choose a location that best suits your target audience. While this is similar to what other providers offer, InterServer's redundancy and uptime performance really shine, providing a solid infrastructure for your website. Now, let's talk about their server performance. One of the standout features of InterServer VPS hosting is its solid speed and reliability. Speed is critical, especially when compared to shared hosting providers who often deal with overcrowded servers, which can lead to slow performance. InterServer VPS avoids this issue with dedicated resources, ensuring that your website runs smoothly and reliably. The fifth thing you should consider is the server management. InterServer offers both managed and unmanaged VPS options, allowing you to choose based on your technical expertise. If you're not a pro, the managed option is a great choice, while advanced users can opt for an unmanaged setup to have more control and flexibility over server configurations. Next up, their customer support is another key factor. While InterServer offers 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and email, the customer service experience isn't always as responsive as competitors like HostGator, who have built a strong reputation for quick response times. However, InterServer's team is still knowledgeable and helpful, especially when it comes to more complex issues. The seventh thing to know is their security features. InterServer provides standard security measures like free SSL certificates, daily backups, and strong firewall protection. While this is great, some competitors like A2 Hosting offer more comprehensive security features, such as proactive malware scans. Still, InterServer's basic protections are sufficient for most users. The eighth thing is the control panel. InterServer uses the popular cPanel, which is intuitive and easy to use. While this is a good feature, some users prefer custom control panels offered by other hosts, which can feel more streamlined. However, cPanel remains a solid choice for beginners and those who want simplicity. Moving on, the ninth thing is their scalability. One of the great benefits of InterServer's VPS hosting is how easily you can scale your resources. This is especially beneficial if you expect growth over time. While many hosting providers require you to migrate your account to a higher plan, InterServer allows for seamless upgrades, making it easy to scale without downtime. The 10th thing is their uptime. InterServer boasts an impressive 99.9% uptime guarantee, and based on user feedback, they generally live up to this promise. This is a competitive advantage over some cheaper shared hosting providers that have frequent downtimes. Still, some premium VPS providers like Liquid Web guarantee higher uptime, so keep that in mind. The 11th thing to consider is their billing structure. InterServer's VPS hosting comes with a month-to-month billing option, which gives you flexibility without the long-term commitment. This is great for users who want to test the service before committing to a yearly plan, something that other hosts, like GoDaddy, may not offer without locking you into contracts. Lastly, InterServer's overall reputation. They're a smaller, less flashy hosting provider, which means their marketing budget isn't as big as companies like Bluehost or Hostinger. But don't let that fool you. InterServer is known for its reliability and long-standing history in the hosting industry. So, is InterServer VPS hosting the right choice for you? It's a great, cost-effective option for users looking for flexibility,